Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. An important announcement. So, coming to Mumbai after a long time, 17th and 18th of January 2026. Our Chennai workshop date 24 and 25. Those who are interested can look at the description for the contact numbers and can register. Today morning I said markets can be volatile, but nobody expected market to be this volatile. In fact, we cannot say today market was volatile. It was just one way down. Even the GIF Nifty, it did not expect this kind of a fall. So the fall was very big. Probably, today morning I just forgot to mention one important factor. Yesterday, I think the GST collection came, so that came much lower than expected. The previous month, I think it was about 1.9 lakh crore or something like that, or even more than that. But last month, the data that came yesterday, it was just only 1.7 lakh crore. So maybe now the FIIs are thinking, then like even after the reduction in GST rate, it was just only 1 month show a pent-up demand. But after that, the GST collections are coming down. So when the GST collections are coming down, rupee hitting all-time low, the global markets are not doing well, so all this having some impact in India. But what kind of an impact? Yesterday morning, Nifty opened above 26,300. That time, who would have thought that the following day, the Nifty will fall below 26,000. And today, exactly that's what has happened. At some point of time, Nifty actually broke 26,000. So though Nifty closed above that. I think that is, because of last 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So there was some kind of a recovery. So other than that, it was a selling all the way. It was just one side fall. The people who kept on selling call options would have made good money. But this is quite disappointing. So the fact that, the GST collections was lower, FIIs continue to sell, rupee hitting all-time low, nothing seems to favor our market now. We started the December series with so much of optimism, and Nifty shot up more than 300 points at that day. And everybody was expecting two things. One, Nifty to take out all-time high and to close above all-time high. And second, Nifty inching towards 27,000. Now, forget about 27,000. Even closing above all-time high itself is going to be a big task. And look at the way the markets are falling. Today, see, for example, Nifty has fallen about 140, 145 points. But out of these 145 points, more than 100 points was contributed just by three stocks. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Reliance Industries. I don't know why Reliance Industries fell more than 1.5% at some point of time. Yesterday, US ADR was looking very, very, crazy. At some point of time, HDFC Bank fell more than 4% in US ADR. But the stock was not that bad in India. As I told you already, there is no 1:1 correlation in HDFC Bank. Moreover, the rupee depreciation also affecting the US ADR prices. But overall, the Bank Nifty was pathetic. It came down 300 points, then shot up 300 points, again came down 300 points, closed somewhere near the lowest point of the day. And, surprisingly, ICICI, Infosys and TCS held on to some gains. So otherwise, Nifty would have fallen even more. So earlier once Nifty broke 26,000 but recovered. Just within one day, there was a great recovery of 300 points. So now people are also expecting the same thing. That's why for the shorter time, say for example, Sensex expiring 2 days away, the call prices are more than the put prices, which normally, happens when, the people are expecting a big turnaround. So you can see not only that the call prices are more than the put prices in Sensex, but also you look at the India VIX. I think today the market has fallen for a third straight day, and then it has fallen more than 300 points from yesterday's high to today's low. But despite that, India VIX, there was no spike in India VIX. India VIX keeps falling only. Even the put prices, even you check, I was checking 25,500 put option. Even 300 point fall, but there was no significant increase in the put premiums. In fact, those who sold 25,500 PE and 27,000 CE, the fall in 27,000 CE is more than the increase in the 25,500 PE. So that is well compensated. They are not in loss. There is no point in looking at the open interest and this and that because today is a weekly expiry. So we will wait for tomorrow for some kind of a open interest built up, and then we will discuss. But if you look at monthly options, I think people at all strike prices from 26,000 to 26,500, the people have taken a short straddle. So which means that now looking at the market, the market might be going for consolidation. October, market rallied. November, market consolidated. And looks like December is also, it is going to be the game of consolidation. So markets like it going much above all-time high, but then again coming back and breaking that 26,000 on the downside. So this game continues. So anyway, although Nifty broke 26,000 on intraday basis, so it did not close. And the 26,000 is only a psychological support only. The real support is actually at 25,850. And because, in this kind of a market, the first day there was a significant rally. Whenever there is a significant rally on the first day of the series, that day's low should be the support. So if you look at last Wednesday, the first trading session in December series, that day low was around 25,850. So that is the real support. But otherwise, the 26,000, I keep saying that it's a support because now the earlier 26,000 was the resistance. So when the market crosses that decisively, so logically that resistance became a support. In that logic, 26,000 should be a support. So anyway, so we have a few more weeks to go. Like important events, RBI policy. So 1 week is over in December series. But market has not gone anywhere. And in fact, I told you, the beginning of last week, people have taken 26,000 short straddle. The combined premium was about 300 rupees. If anyone has held on to it, he would have made, nearly 270 rupees profit per share. So that's a fantastic profit. So anyway, so today is the weekly expiry. So there's nothing much to talk. So rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.